It's time to let the power begin. Are you looking to replace your fuel injectors for smoother RPMs, crisper throttle response, and more power? Your wish just came true. Highway and Heavy Parts would like to introduce the new Black Series fuel injectors. The new Black Series fuel injectors are remanufactured to create the most efficient and powerful fuel delivery system. The tolerances within the Black Series injectors are measured to the millionth of an inch. That is 6 spots past the decimal point. The extremely tight tolerances are needed for the containment of extreme pressure up to 30,000 psi. Most remanufactured injectors cannot seal this extreme pressure due to shortcuts taken during the rebuild process. As a result, performance suffers. Timing is everything. The Black Series delivers fuel at the precise time. We diligently measure from start to end of injection. The start and end of injection needs to match the position of the piston for power, fuel efficiency, and emissions. The entire injection process is measured in milliseconds. There is no tolerance for mistakes, as the measurements must be right every time. In addition to timing and tolerance requirements, the same is required for the internal settings. To deliver the correct amount of fuel at the right time and pressure the air gaps, calibration plates and spool travel must all be set to the thousandths of an inch. When all these things are done correctly, you have a very powerful injector, one we like to call the Black Series injector by Highway and Heavy Parts. Order your Black Series injectors today and let the power begin.